That's my dad, Isaac, and he's getting a haircut. Get him fresh. Look at him. Oh, yeah. Now we're picking up Paul from high school. Then after that, we got to go put the logos on the t-shirts. Put the logos on the t-shirt. Come on. Got my haircut. And I got to go get hygiene products, go to Walmart, and go to the malls to get my cologne. I'm running out. We're here at Walmart to get me a sauna suit to get back in the gym. Yeah, I'm gonna grab it there. Last stop, some ice cream. Yeah, just wait here. Tune in, like, subscribe, and hype it up. Get some ice cream. Until next time. Put that down.